Ginulantang ng isang terrorist attack ang Estados Unidos sinong New Year's Day. Inararo ng truck na minamaneho ng isang US Army veteran ang ilang mga tao sa Louisiana sa New Orleans. Agad itong kinundina ni outgoing US President Joe Biden at President-elect Donald Trump. Narito ang agenda report ni Eugene Adalia.
Isang malagim na New Year's Day sa Louisiana sa New Orleans. 15 ang namatay at hindi bababa sa 30 ang sugatan matapos araruhin ng isang truck ang mga nagse-celebrate ng bagong taon.
Like you just heard this squeal and like the rev of an engine and then this huge loud impact and then the people screaming and debris, just metal, the sound of crunching metal and bodies.
Nangyari yan sa intersection ng Canal at Bourbon Streets, isang kilalang tourist destination.
Last night, we had over 300 officers out here. And because of the intentional mindset of this perpetrator who went around our barricades in order to conduct this, he was hell-bent on creating the carnage and the damage that he did.
Ang suspect, si Shamsuddin Jabbar, isang 42-year-old US Army veteran. Napatay siya ng mga pulis sa shootout matapos ang pag-atake. Isang ISIS flag, mga armas at isang pinaniniwalaang explosive device ang nakita sa kanyang rented vehicle. Para sa FBI, isa itong terrorist attack. Kasado na ang isang malawakang investigasyon ayon mismo kay US President Joe Biden.
I directed my team to make sure every resource is made available to federal, state, and local law enforcement to complete the investigation in New Orleans quickly and to make sure there is no remaining threat to the American people. To all the families of those who are killed, to all those who are injured, to all the people of New Orleans who are grieving today, I want you to know, I grieve with you. Our nation grieves with you.
Tinawag naman ni US President-elect Donald Trump na act of pure evil ang pag-atake. Kinundina rin ito ni Louisiana Senator John Kennedy.
I wish I understood better why bad things happen to good people. If I make it to heaven, I'm going to ask. For those people who don't believe in objective evil, all you have to do is look at what happened in our city early this morning. If this doesn't trigger the gag reflex of every American, every fair-minded American, I'll be very surprised.
Mahigpit ngayon ang seguridad sa New Orleans, lalo na't doon gaganapin ang NFL Super Bowl sa February 9. Para sa agenda, Eugene Adalia, Bilyonaryo News Channel.